What is going on, guys? My name is Jorge, and today we are going back to the track. That is right, guys. We've changed out the pulley, we've got a couple more pounds of boost, and the weather, my God, the weather is beautiful. We're gonna be in the mid 70s, nice, fresh, cold front just came through, so this has been the best weather by far to go out there and get a couple runs in. I just got the car washed and detailed, and she is looking beautiful. Check the thing out, guys. Nice, glossy. Got everything ready. The car is ready. So right now we just got to put some gas in it and start going on our way to the track. Fingers crossed. I hope I can get into the 10s with this better weather and extra boost. But if I don't, as long as I get better time than I have been getting, remember at 11.6 is the best I can do, so hopefully I do a lot better this time. What is going on, guys? We are at the track, and I am letting this thing cool down for a little bit. As you can see, the lanes are pretty empty. I might try to do a little hot lap pretty quickly. We'll see how that goes. And then here comes my cousin. So I might just let it cool down as quickly as I can, and then if I see cars pulling up to the stage lanes, I'll go and pull the car up and we'll do one quick hot lap just to get a little warm up in, and then if we need to, we'll let it cool down even more later on and run it later on. Alright, guys, we are at the staging lanes. Got the cars ready. So hopefully everything goes well and we can run a good time. The weather's looking really good. We're actually pushing the cars so that they don't get hot, and hopefully that helps out at the end. So we'll see you guys on the other side of the track. Alright, guys, so just went through the very first run and it's already much better than last time, but it spun like crazy off of the line. Let me show you guys. Here's the time slip. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it went 11.3 at 123. That's right, 11.3 at 123, and it was spinning its ass off. I think I can easily get into the 10s with this car. This thing just, that pulley swap actually made such a big difference. I mean, the car just launched nasty, and I'm gonna let it cool down, and we'll get back in line a little later and see what it does. But I think we got a 10 coming up, guys. As long as we can hook, I think we got a 10. Well, guys, I'm back home, and tonight's track did not disappoint. I ran my best time ever, which was an 11.3 at 123 miles an hour. Yes, that is right. This car did an 11.3. So obviously the increase in boost helped it out quite a bit. But one thing I did notice in the logs was that my intake air temperatures were a lot higher. I mean, before this week, with the lower boost, it were only reaching about 140, 150 Fahrenheit max. Now with a lot more boost, this blower is generating a lot more heat. Intake temperatures going over 160, which is causing me to pull some timing from the tune as I hit my third gear and go into fourth. So that is really hurting me in the back end. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Obviously, I need to find a way to get my temperatures to go cooler, to go down. so that the car doesn't start pulling the timing that it's supposed to be pulling to keep it safe. So if I want to go faster, I need to figure out how to control my temperatures. So I'm gonna sleep on that, try to figure out what I got to do, and hopefully whatever I decide and whatever I come up with will be something that I can implement and help me go a lot faster moving forward. But for now, I appreciate you guys joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.